the tornado anniversary. Of course, a good time to reflect on your preparations for the threat of severe weather. In fact, just last week, remember, Leland and Nikki D warned you we had the potential for tornadoes. And new this morning, our Amy Watson takes us to one southern Kentucky town that has a weather weapon for its entire population.
This building is a refuge in any storm for Crofton, Kentucky. Population 800. Over the last few years, Crofton has seen an unusually high number of tornadoes spotted or touched down.
Since more of the storms are coming this way, we're trying to get more prepared to help the people.
Look at, this is a scene out of Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Brian Diamond is the chief coordinator at the Tornado Safe Shelter. He's constantly monitoring the weather and has state-of-the-art radio communications. He can also activate local tornado sirens here.
As long as high winds and tornadoes are, mentioned, we're going to be opening up this building just for the peace of mind of the general public.
Completed in 2016, this $800,000 safe shelter was built through grants provided by local, state, and FEMA. The walls are 8 inches thick with concrete and steel and rebar on the roof. It's earthquake safe too and has a massive generator to keep the lights on.
If you're standing up in the restrooms and in the storage rooms, you can hold 500 people in this one. And this one is rated for F5.
Last December, when the tornado struck Mayfield, Kentucky, there were 123 people waiting out the storm here in case it came this way.
But
you don't always have tables in.
No. And like I say, if it comes to, we have the tables in case, we have a lot of older people that needs to sit down, but if it got where it had to be filled and stuff, we'd take the tables down. This is good just for, during the tornado, they had a lot of food brought in.
They also have a full kitchen and bathrooms and showers for men and women. It's pet-friendly, too. Jim Byram and Larry Owen have brought their families here during threatening weather.
I've got a special needs grandchild that lives with me, and it's very comforting to know that we have a place like this to come to.
Long story short, it's really a peace of mind because, like I said, all material things be replaced, but you can't replace your families.
Anyone with storm anxiety is welcome to come here to wait it out, whether you live in Crofton or not. Amy Watson, News Channel 5.